eating.
Everyone says you're a peace-loving person.
You're a dog. You lose this?
I'm just a regular kid. Don't pick on me.
I didn't want to lose. You pushed me.
Yes, Dr. Crabblesnitch. Of course, Dr. Crabblesnitch. Good thing you don't know what I'm up to, Dr. Crabblesnitch.
Why would Mr. Hattrick call in?
I love kicking butt.
Why do I get so nervous around boys?
What's a destructive...
Everyone to your seats, please. It's a big world we've got to cover today. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Heavens! Whatever gave you that idea? A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. No, I'm sorry, that is incorrect. Heavens! Whatever gave you that idea? A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong. A fair guess, but I'm afraid it's wrong.
Great!
Could get a rash there.
Those little...
I'm done. Stud muffin coming through.
Did you see
I
a game
love
that made
hot
you so
dogs.
excited? Teachers just don't pay enough attention to kids, you know. Why am I so attracted to... And how does this snake find you?
That's right. Why not destroy the whole school?
Stupid school mascot.
Probably already
did
heard
good.
this. I've just gotta tell somebody though.
I just can't stand her.
Kicking butt satisfies a deep...
We need like snack break and tea break.
I want to be... They'll all be cinematographers.
One day.
No whiskey.
I'm freaking tired of Texas.
Hello, fellow student.
Check this out, sucker. Your move, Dillweed. What's the deal?
How did I get mayonnaise on my pants?
Perhaps...
We need that stuff.
Wait,
Lola and Mandy are fighting.
Sure.
The guy's face was priceless. He was really hurt.
My mom calls me Prince Algie. She says I'm really special, like a prince, you know?
now I'm parts. Meet you again soon. I'm so glad I saw you today.
Why are boys so confused?
Hi, it's me, Sheldon.
Ridiculous.
Park your glutes at a...
Superior.
I wish someone would cause some trouble.
I feel trapped here. I belong famous people.
Yes, yes. That's enough chatter, people. Eyes on the board.
I have to say, I'm more than a little surprised.
That's how you do it! Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins!
My dad says he's gonna buy me some condoms so I can like... Yeah, but you made my hit list! I've heard the whole... They won't let you hit teachers here! Lame boy! It's not my fault! Oh well, I guess I'm screwed. Hit him where it hurts, Fred! You're going back to the poorhouse! Kill me? Someone dare to pay for this! Have you ever seen Officer Monson arrest? You've really been asking? I'm telling you, I'm going to be rich one day. I'm going to pound you like my dad pounded me.
Can you help me, sir?
Well,
Treasure
okay.
on those islands find a pirate ship. Why don't you go check it out?
Now this is pretty cool. I'm just gonna collect this.
That's incredible!
So how do I do it, Pete? Do what? Beat those rich kids into submission. Well, what have you tried so far? Random violence, widespread destruction, gratuitous sadism. No, that's not gonna work. They get all that kind of stuff at home. No, what you gotta do is you gotta beat one of them publicly. You gotta prove to them you're better than their best man. Why don't you box that dumb jerk Biff? Not bad, Pete. Not bad at all. All right. See you around. Wait, Jimmy, can I come too? You know what? Don't worry about it.
I need help to cut my toenail.
You and me, Biff.
You and me what?
You and me, the noble art of boxing. May the best man win. And then you little trust fund fairies will know what life is all about.
Anytime, pauper. Of course. The best man always wins. Me. Come on. Afterwards, you can clean my shoes.
Come on! Show some spirit, man!
Look at that ridiculous fighting!
Hopkins is surprisingly tough.
That's the best thing to do! Take him out!
I could do so much better, you know?
Look at that ridiculous fighting!
It's not that, you smoke.
You look pathetic!
Who's the baddest? Me! Who's the toughest? Me! Who's the man? Me! Me, losers! Me! The champion #1! I killed the best! I will beat the rest! Yeah!
What have we got here?
That
poor kid just beat up Biff. He's our new champion.
What?
He is the new champion.
Yeah, come on! Come on, man! Woo!
You disgust me! It takes more than victory to become a champion. It takes breeding and nepotism and snobbery. You filthy Democrat! Gentlemen, are we going to let some gutter snipe come in and beat up our friend Biff?
No!
Then what are we going to do?
Beat him back to the ghetto!
Yeah!
You guys soften him up. I'll get a drink.
You better not...
Move it! Get that bad social reject out of here! Get out of my face!
What a dirty proletarian joke!
Ow! You just ruined my puberty for me.
Alright, fisticuffs it is. Back off!
My family jewels, my lineage destroyed.
You pathetic wretch, hiding behind your friends.
I'm leveraging the assets I have and you don't. Friends,
Just shut up, Darby.
here's some more tactics for you, poor boy.
What's this?
You are messing with the wrong chap. I'll put you in your place.
I have to carry on the family name.
I'm an excellent boxer, you know.
Check. Watch it!
I'll put you in your place.
Who's the boss now? I can't hear you, rich kids. Who's the boss now, my waspy little friend? Answer the question.
You are...
Louder!
You are...
Good! That's right! Me! Now you girls, learn to play nice, you understand?